How to get a free upgrade on Carnival Cruise. Getting a free upgrade on a Carnival Cruise or any cruise line is not guaranteed, but there are some strategies that you can try. First is to book early. Sometimes cruise lines offer free upgrades to passengers who book early, as they shuffle cabins to accommodate demand. Booking well in advance might increase your chances of being eligible for an upgrade. Join loyalty programs. Carnival Cruise Line, like many others, has a loyalty program. The more you cruise with them, the higher your loyalty level becomes, which can lead to perks like complimentary upgrades. Special promotions. Watch for special promotions or deals offered by Carnival Cruise Line. Sometimes they offer free upgrades as part of a promotion to fill the remaining cabins on a particular sailing. Flexibility. Be flexible with your travel dates and cabin preferences. Sometimes, if you're willing to switch to a different sailing date or accept a different cabin category, you might be eligible for a free upgrade. Special occasions. If you're celebrating a special occasion like a birthday, anniversary, or honeymoon, mention it during the booking process. While not guaranteed, cruise lines sometimes offer complimentary upgrades or other perks to celebrate special occasions. Check for last-minute deals. Occasionally, cruise lines offer last-minute deals that include free upgrades to help fill remaining cabins. Keep an eye on their website or subscribe to their newsletter for updates on any such deals. Upgrade at check-in. Sometimes, if there are available cabins in higher categories, you may be able to negotiate a free or discounted upgrade at the check-in desk. This is more likely to happen during off-peak times when a ship isn't fully booked. Remember, while these strategies might increase your chances of getting a free upgrade, there is no guarantee. Cruise lines have specific policies and criteria for offering upgrades, and availability can vary depending on factors like the ship's occupancy and demand for certain cabin categories. But anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.